What do you think? Does that look mean? Yeah, look at those gray convection currents. Look how high up you're getting gray convection currents. You should have them way up in that area. See how it wants to ignite there? Comes in, burning. This is beautiful, beautiful. Textbook flammable limits. Look, right up high, just right. Where would your face piece be? About the 50%? There's where your face piece would be. And then once again, that piece of carpet's gone. That one's hanging in. And then the other side of this is what? Your floor is still clean, right? Your floor is still clean. You may think that that's a survivable space if you were crawling in there. So here we go. Watch the color of the smoke. Watch velocity of smoke. Look at it visually. Look at it through the eyes of the thermal camera. I'm going to close you down. Watch how fast the smoke's traveling when I open the door. It's going to look like fire. You're going to say, Sean, it's on fire. Here we go. We open. Does it look like it's on fire? Yeah. All right. And there it is. So now, my question. We come up. We have this. If we crawl all the way in here and open the line right here with no ventilation in that area, where's all that exhaust going to go?
Right on you.
Yeah, horrible, horrible place, right? We don't want to be in that environment. Now, what do we have? We have fire from the ceiling down to the floor. What is that called?
Flashover.
Flashover. Do we survive that?
No.
No. Thin piece of plastic. More protection on your butt than you do on your face. Let's close down here. We're going to close down. Watch your smoke conditions now. Look at it visually through the eyes of the camera. I come up. Do you think that smoke's ignitable by looking at it?
Absolutely. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.